Hoy, buenas! Today's dish is Chamoru sausage. If you love Chorizos Espanot, you know the one in the green can, you're in for a treat. This Guam sausage is strong on achote and vinegar, and if you cook it right, I'm telling you, a printable recipe is linked at the end of this video and below. Yep, it's as yummy as you imagine. You'll need a half cup or 15.5 grams minced onions, 2 pounds or about a kilo of ground pork with a good amount of fat, 3/4 cup or 102 grams minced garlic, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters lard or your choice of oil, 2 teaspoons or 2.33 grams each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm using the granulated onion and garlic, not the super fine powder. A half cup or 118 milliliters of vinegar, doni or hot pepper, and 2 packets or 20 total grams of achote powder or natto powder. Empty the packets of achote over your ground pork. Add the rest of your dry seasonings. Mix with a rubber spatula or a spoon, otherwise your hand will be orange for days. Once it's well combined, add only a 1/4 cup of the vinegar. I'm using the entire half cup because I like the strong vinegar flavor. You can add the rest later. But if you love Chorizos Espanot, add all the vinegar to make this Chamoru sausage. The pork will soak it up. Just keep folding and stirring. Heat 2 tablespoons of fat in a large hot pan. Add your onions and saute until they're soft. Add your garlic and cook for a minute. It's a lot of garlic. It smells so good. Add your sausage mixture. Incorporate and brown everything about 10 minutes. It's not done yet though. The secret is at the end, but it looks so good already. Add your doni and stir and taste. Add more doni and vinegar if you didn't use it all. Transfer to a bowl to cool. This sausage is meant to be a bit oily, but you'll need that oil. And here it is. The secret to cooking and reheating this is to crisp up your Chamoru sausage in a flat layer. You may not need to add oil to the pan, but I do. I mean, do I even have to say anything? Except make sure it's tostas or crispy and dry. Hold on. Chamoru sausage is not meant to be eaten by itself. Top your alaguan with it. Alaguan is a rice and coconut milk porridge. Chamoru sausage comes in links too, but I'll save that for another day. Hi sus, estelat manzo. This is good, going to be so good. With green onions and avocado, leche. This is good too with eggs, rice, or even pancakes. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing so I can continue to satisfy your Guam recipe cravings. Stay tuned as I will have the alaguan video up in a few days.